Have you ever wondered why Earth's surface isn't flat but consists of mountains, valleys, and plains? Imagine our planet as an intricate puzzle, each piece representing a different natural feature. These pieces come together to form the diverse and fascinating world we inhabit. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, the Earth's surface is a canvas painted with a variety of landforms. These geographical features are not just physical entities but tell a story of the Earth's past, present, and future. Now visualize the vibrant biomes that breathe life into these landforms. The lush rainforests, arid deserts, frigid tundra, and everything in between. Each biome, with its unique flora, fauna, and climate, adds color and texture to our planet's surface. This diversity is what makes Earth a living, breathing entity, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, hold that thought as we embark on a journey to unravel the mystery of Earth's natural features. Imagine Earth as a vast canvas with landforms as its intricate brushstrokes. Picture it, the world as a colossal masterpiece of natural artistry, each feature a testament to the planet's dynamic nature. This, my friends, is the realm of landforms, the physical features that make up the surface of our planet. Landforms are like the Earth's vocabulary, each one telling its own story, from the formation of the planet to the present day. They're the mountains and valleys, the plateaus and plains, the hills and dunes that add depth and texture to the Earth's surface. These are not randomly scattered elements, they're the result of various natural processes, including erosion, weathering, and tectonic activity. Let's start with mountains. These towering giants are the product of tectonic forces. When the Earth's crustal plates collide, they push up the land between them, forming these majestic peaks. They are not only breathtakingly beautiful but also serve as natural barriers, influencing climate and weather patterns. Valleys, on the other hand, are often formed by the erosive power of rivers or glaciers. These natural sculptures carve deep into the earth, creating these sunken areas between hills or mountains. Valleys are nature's cradle, nurturing diverse ecosystems and providing fertile soil for agriculture. Next, we have plateaus. These are elevated areas of land with a flat top, often referred to as tablelands. They are primarily formed by volcanic activity or erosion. The Colorado Plateau in the United States, with its stunning landscapes, is an excellent example of a plateau shaped over millions of years by the forces of nature. Plains, unlike mountains or plateaus, are flat, low-lying areas. They are typically formed by rivers depositing sediment over a long period. These are the breadbaskets of the world, providing vast expanses of fertile land for farming. And then we have hills, which are like the younger siblings of mountains. They are elevated landforms but not as high or steep as mountains. Hills are formed by a variety of processes, including erosion and faulting. They add a gentle, undulating character to the landscape and are often covered in lush vegetation. Each of these landforms has a vital role to play in the Earth's ecosystems. They influence climate, dictate the flow of rivers, provide habitats for plants and animals, and offer resources for human survival. They are the stage upon which the drama of life unfolds, each one contributing to the diverse and dynamic nature of our planet. So these landforms aren't random but are rather the result of various natural processes. They are the Earth's brushstrokes, each one adding to the complexity and beauty of our planet's canvas. The artistry of landforms is a testament to the dynamic nature of the Earth, constantly changing, evolving, and shaping the world as we know it. If landforms are Earth's canvas, then biomes are its colors, each with its own unique hue. Let's dive into the world of biomes. Biomes are essentially nature's neighborhoods, large communities of plants and animals that thrive in specific environmental conditions. They are the vibrant tapestry that adorns our planet, each thread intricately woven with species that have adapted to the unique challenges and opportunities of their environment. Take forests, for example. These are the sprawling green expanses of our planet, the world's lungs, if you will. They come in a variety of flavors: tropical rainforests, teeming with life from the forest floor to the canopy, temperate forests where the changing seasons dictate the rhythm of life, and boreal forests or taigas, resilient under their blanket of snow. Each forest, with its unique set of characteristics, provides a home to an astonishing array of life forms. Contrast this with deserts, the arid heartlands of our planet. Here, life has to contend with scorching temperatures and scarce water resources. Yet these seemingly inhospitable lands are far from lifeless. They harbor an array of hardy species, from the iconic cacti to the elusive desert fox, each showcasing remarkable adaptations to survive in this harsh landscape. Then we have grasslands, the world's breadbaskets. These are vast open spaces, often located in the interior regions of continents, where grasses, not trees, are the dominant vegetation. From the bison of the North American prairies to the zebras of the African savannas, grasslands support a rich biodiversity often associated with iconic wildlife spectacles. Let's not forget the tundra, the cold deserts of the polar regions. Here the ground is permanently frozen, known as permafrost, and trees are scarce. Yet life persists, from mosses and lichens to reindeer and Arctic foxes, each species a testament to the tenacity of life in the face of extreme conditions. Finally, we have the aquatic biomes, the lifeblood of our planet. These include both freshwater and marine biomes. Freshwater biomes, like rivers, lakes, and wetlands, are vital water sources for terrestrial life. Marine biomes, which include the vast oceans, coral reefs, and estuaries, cover more than 70% of Earth's surface and are teeming with a remarkable diversity of life, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. Each biome, be it forest, desert, grassland, tundra, or aquatic, is a vital cog in the machinery of life on Earth. They provide the essential services we often take for granted, from purifying the air we breathe and the water we drink to providing the food we eat and the resources we use. These biomes, in all their diversity, weave a complex web of life on our planet. Landforms and biomes, though distinct, don't exist in isolation but perform a beautiful dance together. Imagine, if you will, a ballroom. The landforms are the dance floor, providing the stage on which the dance unfolds. The biomes are the dancers, their characteristics and movements dictated by the stage they're given. This dance is an intricate, dynamic performance that has been choreographed over millennia, and it's still being refined to this day. Let's dive a bit deeper into this dance. Landforms, those physical features that sculpt our Earth's surface, set the stage for the biomes dance. The height, slope, and orientation of a mountain range, for instance, can determine the types of plant and animal life that can thrive there. High altitudes and steep slopes might be the perfect stage for alpine biomes, with their hardy, wind-resistant vegetation and uniquely adapted animal species. Contrarily, flat, low-lying areas could set the stage for a different kind of dance, perhaps a wetland biome with its lush, water-loving vegetation and diverse aquatic life. The landform is like the beat of the music, guiding the biome in its dance. But this isn't a one-way street. The biomes, in turn, influence the landforms. Consider the humble beaver, part of the wetland biome. By building dams, beavers create ponds and wetlands, altering the landscape and creating new habitats for other species. Or take the deep-rooted trees of the forest biomes. These trees hold the soil together, preventing erosion and helping to shape the landform over time. In this way, the biome is not just a dancer responding to the music, but also a choreographer, influencing the rhythm and flow of the dance. It's also worth noting that this dance isn't isolated to one specific place or time. It's happening all around us, all the time. The desert biome's dance with its sand dunes is as much a part of this performance as the tundra biome's waltz with its permafrost. And this dance isn't just for show. It's crucial for the health and diversity of our planet's ecosystems. This dance between landforms and biomes is a delicate balance, a give and take that has been perfected over millions of years. It's a dance of adaptation and change, of struggle and triumph. And it's a dance that continues to evolve, shaped by the natural forces of our planet and the life that it supports. In this dance, landforms and biomes shape not just the physical landscape, but also the biological diversity of our planet. Understanding this dance, this interplay between physical geography and life, is key to understanding our planet and our place within it. We are part of this dance too, and our actions can influence its rhythm and flow for better or worse. In this dance, landforms and biomes shape not just the physical landscape, but also the biological diversity of our planet. While nature plays the lead role in shaping Earth's features, humans have their part too. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how human activities impact Earth's landforms and biomes. From the plains of Africa to the Amazon rainforest, we've left our fingerprints, sometimes in ways that aren't so positive. Take deforestation, for example. Forests are not just massive green expanses on our planet, they are intricate ecosystems, home to a myriad of species and a crucial part of Earth's carbon cycle. But when we cut down trees to make way for agriculture or urban development, we're not just removing a tree. we're disrupting a delicate balance, potentially causing soil erosion, loss of habitat, and a significant increase in carbon dioxide levels. Then there's urbanization. As our cities grow, they often encroach upon natural landforms and biomes, altering them drastically. We fill in wetlands, level mountains, and reroute rivers. This can lead to loss of biodiversity, changes in local climate, and increased vulnerability to natural disasters. And we can't ignore climate change, the elephant in the room. As we pump more and more greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, we're effectively turning up the Earth's thermostat. This has a ripple effect on our planet's features. Melting polar ice caps are causing sea levels to rise, threatening coastal landforms. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns are affecting where plants can grow, leading to shifts in biomes, such as the encroachment of deserts into grasslands. Yet it's not all doom and gloom. Humans also have the power to restore and protect Earth's natural features. Through reforestation, sustainable urban planning, and actions to mitigate climate change, we can ensure that Earth's landforms and biomes continue to inspire and sustain us for generations to come. After all, while nature may be the sculptor of Earth's features, we are the custodians. And as the old saying goes, we do not inherit the Earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Our actions, for better or worse, are leaving an indelible mark on Earth's natural features. As we look forward, the question arises, what does the future hold for Earth's natural features? In discerning the future, we must consider current trends and their implications. Our planet is dynamic, constantly changing, adapting, and evolving. Landforms, those awe-inspiring mountains, valleys, and plains, are not immune to change. They are reshaped by natural forces such as erosion, landslides, and volcanic activities. However, human activities like mining and deforestation have accelerated these changes, leading to the degradation and even disappearance of some landforms. Take the case of the Aral Sea, once the fourth largest lake in the world, now reduced to a fraction of its former size due to excessive water extraction. Or consider the melting glaciers, victims of a warming planet whose disappearance will not only alter the landscape but also significantly affect global sea levels. Our biomes, too, are in a state of flux. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, is shrinking at an alarming rate due to deforestation, threatening the rich diversity of life it harbors. Coral reefs, vibrant underwater ecosystems are bleaching and dying due to warming ocean temperatures. But this future is not set in stone. There's an alternative path, one that involves sustainable practices and conscientious stewardship. By embracing sustainable agriculture, we can prevent soil erosion and preserve our fertile plains. By practicing responsible mining, we can limit the degradation of our mountains and valleys. By curbing deforestation, we can maintain the health and diversity of our forests. The future of our oceans and their incredible biomes is also in our control. By reducing carbon emissions, we can slow the warming of our oceans and give our coral reefs a fighting chance. By practicing sustainable fishing, we can protect the variety of life beneath the waves. In essence, the future of Earth's natural features is a reflection of our actions today. Every choice we make, every action we take has an impact, and while the challenges are monumental, so too are the opportunities. With knowledge, innovation, and collective action, we can ensure the preservation of our planet's stunning natural features. The future of Earth's natural features is in our hands. So, our journey exploring Earth's natural features comes to an end. But the exploration doesn't have to stop here. We've embarked on an incredible adventure, delving into the artistry of landforms, the symphony of biomes, and the exquisite dance between them. We've trekked through mountains, valleys, forests, and deserts, each with its unique tale of formation and evolution. We've also examined the human role in these fantastic features. Our actions, both positive and negative, have a profound impact on the Earth's natural features. As we move forward, it's essential to remember that we are not just spectators, but active participants in this story. As we look to the future, let's not forget that we have a role to play in preserving these natural wonders for generations to come. Investigate more, learn more, and most importantly, act more. Remember, every mountain, valley, forest, or desert you see is a page in the fascinating story of our planet. It's up to us to ensure this story continues.